My name is Rosel Guardo, based Biotrivi. I choose the topic is human evolution. Human evolution is the evolutionary process that lead to the emergence of anatomically modern humans, beginning with the evolutionary history of primates, in particular genus Homo, and leading to the emergence of Homo sapiens as a distinct species of the hominid family, which includes the great apes. The origin of humankind have long fascinated scientists and the public alike, but the topic can get confusing for a number of reasons. We share nearly 1% of our genetic sequence with chimpanzees and bonobos, which strongly suggests we share a common ancestor. And there are thousands of fossils documenting progressively more human-like species in the evolution of our lineage after it split from the other great apes, and later from chimps and bonobos. Biologists have actually observed evolution happening in other species, both in the field in the lab. Recent emergence of antibiotic-resistant microbes is a form of evolution, and animals' breeders make evolution happen all the time. Think of the tremendous variety of dog breed that have been created from wolves. Certainly not humans are continuing to evolve, but now that the evolution is driven as much by our culture and the technology we invented as by our biology, and other animals including the apes are also continuing to evolve, especially now in response to the huge changes in their environment that humans have made. Because there isn't one chimpanzees, for the other apes didn't evolve into humans. Both lineage descended from a common ancestor and went their separate ways around 60,000 years ago. Again, according to both genetic and fossil evidence, modern humans migrated out of Africa and began colonizing the world. Homo sapiens is now the only species of human on Earth, but that's been true for less than 30,000 years. Knowing where our species evolved matters because the environment is adapted to help shape the genetic makeup we still carry with us today. Here the guide question: what types of selective or environment pressures influence it to evolve? My answer is there are 5 different forces have influenced human evolution: natural selection, random genetic drift, mutation, population, mating structure, and culture. All evolutionary biologists agree on the first 3 of these forces, although there have been dispute at times about the relative importance of each force. Number 2 question: what advantageous heritable traits does it possess? The answer: individuals evolve over generation, not population, because natural selection occurs on the interaction of individual organisms in their environment, and advantageous traits more likely to be passed on to offspring because they are more likely to survive and reproduce because they come from dominant alleles. Number 3, Question. Construct an explanation based on evidence from your research or readings for how evolution exists on the chosen topic. Provide reference on it. My answer: evolution of human is change in the heritable characteristic of biological population over successive generation. These characteristics are the expression of genes that are passed on from parent to offspring during reproduction. Different characteristics tend to exist within any given population as a result of mutation, genetic recombination, and other sources of genetic variation. It is this process of evolution that has given rise to biodiversity at every level of biological organization, including the levels of species, individual organisms, and molecules. That's all. Thank you.